back to actually my first video. Today's video, we're going to be doing a video on the super cool mod which adds a fourth path to the Super Monkey. So yes, we're going ahead and be testing that out. Oh, so sorry, I have all the heroes. I'm not gonna be using Mo, I'm just gonna be using Benjamin.
Sushi time.
I was gonna do fourth path druid, but for some reason it's like glitched out right now. So yeah, I mean, if I can ever get that to work in the future, I can definitely do that. So, you know, right now it's just pretty chill. We're just gonna be trying to save up for the Super Monkey. Triple shots. You know, I don't know why I'd go triple shots, though. You know, I know. Yeah, I know.
Fresh.
You just go right here and my crossbow, and then so, you know, that's basically good. I mean, once you get like sharpshooter, you're pretty much good. Oh no, I'll get like cannon right there for the lead balloons. So once I get sharpshooter, I'll go ahead and speed it up. So I'll just speed up the game a little bit, you know. Get first monkey one, second one. So we're going to our fourth one. Okay, fourth banana farm down. Let's just wanna buy some of these guys and then speed it up. And then slow it down. And then we will turn off auto start. Speed up. Slow it down. So get ourselves the Super Monkey here. And wow, this one's pretty expensive. Wow, I'm very bad. I forgot which one's Ultra Vision. Actually, yeah, we'll go like Plasma. And then I'll just need to get a village right there. Go middle path. And I'll just
Someone's not popping balloons.
speed this up. Oh, I need to turn auto start back on too. And boom, radar scanner.
Fresh.
Intelligence bureau.
Someone's not popping balloons. Five stars. Careful, sliced and diced.
Alright. That was a little fast. Let me slow it down. That's my fault. Okay. Whoa, that actually looks pretty cool. Okay, but now we're past like the base game, everything. We're gonna see if we can get to round 100 just by doing this.
Special order.
So his upgrades actually cost quite a lot, so we need to be upgraded. Fourth tier is just 63,000. Sometimes, but you know, that's pretty much okay. It's only like the second highest fourth tier. Okay, now the fifth tier, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this because I mean it's literally $1 million. I actually don't know. Upgrade these. Some more down. Sell that one. tell that's not in range.
5 stars.
Okay. So. Right there. Wait, I'm a little confused here.
Careful with these. Slice and dice.
The village, I think that's like. Do that. I think I can get an informer right here. Perfect. Yeah, that's just good. So chilling. I mean, this dude is absolutely shredding every single balloon. I mean, really don't have to worry about
slice and dice
too much. So it looks like a fire super monkey. It's just it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie.
Careful with these. Slice and dice.
Yeah. I'm gonna get Energizer.
Sushi is power.
Wow, just completely shreds everything. Yeah, once I get Benjamin's second ability, that's definitely gonna be more helpful. But, you know, right now it's just... I actually do need a second banana farmer.
Big fish. Slice and dice.
Whoa!
Slice
It
and
just
dice.
like... How does it read that so fast, dude? It deleted
All
that
you can eat.
lobster.
Careful with these. Slice and dice.
I mean, he's just like basically chilling. I think that
Slice
can like
and dice.
right here, you know, just trying to save up enough.
I am hungry for vengeance. Sushi is power. Special order.
I can't. I don't want using the first ability, only the second one.
I am hungry for vengeance. And big fish.
Anyway, 63,000. Alright. I think that we got it. Dude, I wonder how good this one's gonna be.
Sliced and diced.
Is that... That's a ninja.
Take careful with these.
Why does it look like that? Looks so weird.
Big fish.
It's like, just like a ninja or something. Yeah, it's literally throwing shurikens, but... It's crazy overpowered. Lastly, oh, it's only 850,000. Kneel before him. The Overlord amount. I don't even know. We have to get that.
All you can eat. Careful, slice and dice.
There we go.
Slice and dice. Big fish.
Top and speed this up a little bit.
Slice and dice.
Just, you know.
Slice and dice. Careful with these. Slice and dice. Big fish.
A little bit faster. I mean, it's going crazy. Speed up even faster.
Big fish. Big fish. Careful. Slice and dice.
Alright, we'll go time.
Slice and dice.
850,000.
Slice and
That's
dice.
a lot. That's more than Ninja Pack. Wow.
Slice and dice. Big fish. Big fish.
There you go.
5-star. Careful. Slice and dice. Big fish. Slice and dice.
Alright, we're getting up there.
Big fish. Slice and dice. Careful. Slice and
I
dice.
don't think we're gonna get
Big
up to
fish.
around 100 though.
Big fish.
Unfortunately.
Big fish. Slice
Yeah,
and
I don't
dice.
think it's possible.
Slice and dice.
Actually, it might be.
All you can eat. Careful. Slice and dice.
Might be.
Big fish. Slice and dice.
No. Wait.
Big fish.
Hold on, maybe. We can. What is that?
Slice and dice.
And it's throwing the Inferno Ring fireballs everywhere. What, dude?
Careful. Slice and
What is
dice.
this?
Big fish.
Oh, this was. What happened to the BAT? What?
Ultimate Master Chef.
Dude, it just completely shredded everything. Oh my. Well, anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. We're gonna be doing something even crazier than this guy, believe it or not. Actually, I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing, but stay tuned. Check out my next video. Yeah, when it's uploaded, I'll have a link in the description and a little card thing, whatever. Anyways, I'll see you guys. Probably a little later, or, you know, next video. Alright.